Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today we're going to have a look at the three brand new Hornby KFA container releases. So first of all we have R6956, which is KFA with 20 foot and 40 foot containers, running number 93367. Then we have R6957 KFA with 3 tankers and running number 93437, and R6958 KFA with 3 20-foot containers running number 93390. So we'll have a little closer look at those. So here we have R6956, and I must say these are certainly a step up from the Hornby container wagons of quite a few years ago. There is a nice amount of detail on them, containers as well as the actual carriage, and obviously they pop off as well, so you can run them empty. But they are certainly up in their game in the last year or two. So that's that one. And then R6957, which is the 3 tankers. Again, 2 of them have got very good small detail on them, including the tops as well. And again, removable. To give an empty. And again, obviously, you can put them back in different configurations, so it looks like we've already had one delivered. And R6958 with the 3 20-foot containers. Again, removable and switchable, and still plenty of detail. And then if you're looking at this year's Hornby catalogue, the 2020 edition, there is available R6926, which is just the empty version, so I will have to get hold of one of those. And you have also got 5 choices of container sets, some more of the Ocean Network Express ones, Malcolm Logistics, PD Ports, Pent Laver and Freightliner. So if you're not happy with the ones that have just come out as they are, you can build up your own rake of all of the same livery. Don't think I'll get the containers on their own, but I will want to get one of the Tiphook empties, and also find out if I'd got the one which was already out or not. But I hope you've enjoyed seeing those, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you. Bye.